Hi everyone, hope you all are doing great. I am Payal and today we will be learning about regression. So we'll be focusing on a particular type of regression which is called as linear regression. So let's start by motivating what is regression and why is regression so important. Regression is nothing but it is a mathematical model which is used by most of the data scientists in order to predict the values. So in regression, we are going to use one dependent value, one or more dependent value, and an independent value. So what we are going to do is we are going to establish the relationship between these variables, and then we are going to predict values. So there are various types of regression models. We have linear regression, we have logistic regressions, we have other regressions too. But these are the two regression models which are extensively used in order to predict the values. So let's try to understand regression in a better way with the help of an example. So suppose we want to find a relationship between size of a house in square feet and the price of a house. We are going to solve this problem with the help of regression. We are going to analyze a relationship between size of a house in square feet and the selling price of the house. So as we have seen that there are different types of regression models like linear regression, logistic regressions, but today we'll be focusing on linear regression. Now, what is linear regression? As the name suggests, linear regression is a linear approach to model the relationship between one or more variables. Now, it helps in identifying the linear relationship between a dependent variable and an independent variable. You might be remembering this formula from school, which is called as formula of line y is equal to mx plus b. So we'll be using this exact same formula in order to predict the values in our linear regression model. In that formula, y is nothing but the output variable, x is an input variable, m is slope of the line, and b is nothing but constant. So this exact same formula will be used in linear regression model too. So this is how linear regression is usually represented. So the values of x and y are represented on the graph, and the red line is nothing but the line which is called as the best fit line. So this line has a very high importance because it gives a line which is of the predicted value. So it helps in predicting of the values, and therefore it is of a very high importance in linear regression. So let's go forward and understand linear regression with the help of an example. So what we are going to do is we are going to use libraries from Python, and we are going to implement simple linear regression model using Anaconda's Jupyter notebook. So simple linear regression is nothing but a linear regression in which we use only one dependent variable and only one independent variable. So that is how we are going to predict the value of a dependent variable. So we have used here various libraries which are NumPy, Matplot, Pandas in order to perform the regression. So the first step will be to generate the values of x and y. So we'll be generating values of x and y randomly, and then we'll be storing them in Pandas data frame. So as you can see, we have stored the values of x and y in Pandas data frame, and we have generated them randomly. Our next step would be to see the values of x and y. In order to show the values of x and y, we have written the statement of df.head. So it will display the first 5 values of our data frame. So here we have displayed the first 5 values of our data frame. Moving forward, exploratory data analysis. So exploratory data analysis is a very important step while performing regression. So we need to first understand our data before we implement linear regression on that data. And therefore, understanding of a data is important. So in order to understand the data, we have executed the various commands of exploratory data analysis like df.shape. And then we have also showed this data in the help of a scatter plot. So as you can see here, we have displayed the data with the help of a scatter plot. So this scatter plot, it gives the values of x and y. Our next step would be to predict the value of a y. So to predict the value of a y, we are going to use the same exact formula which we discussed earlier. With the help of that formula, we are going to predict the value of y. So here you can see that y predicted is equal to alpha plus beta into x. and alpha plus beta are nothing but they have been calculated with the help of the mean of x and y. So then we'll go forward and plot these values of y predicted and x in order to understand our predictions. So this is how the actual and the predicted values they look like. So therefore we can see that we have a line which is denoted, which is nothing but the best fit line. It gives the average values of the best predicted values. And this is how a linear regression model looks like. This was a very easy example of linear regression. We'll be learning more difficult examples of linear regressions in later videos. So for now, I hope you enjoyed this video and I will be meeting you guys in next video. Till then, goodbye and take care.